So this figurine is very dirty if you haven't noticed. It is really difficult for me to show on camera how dirty this figure is. Maybe it's like my lighting is bad. I am going to try to shine some light to show you how awful this scum and grime that exists in this figurine. So live right now, I am going to clean up this RAM by using my combination of uh, detergents. I mean, like in real life, she is like really dirty, but on camera, for some reason, it is very difficult to like show you guys. I'm gonna try how to show you how dirty this thing is. Okay, see that? Do you see that grime over there? I'm trying to change the exposure so you'll be able to see the dark side of things. See how dirty her arms are. Yeah, there you go. Now it's a lot more clear. There's like a stain there. I have to turn the exposure real low so you'll be able to see what am I talking about. I also have dimmed the lights and it doesn't seem to work. Yeah, this figurine is filthy. It's tough to see with the, on camera. If you, but if you drop the exposure down, then you'll be able to see all the scummy parts of it. You know what I'm talking about? See? All that gunk over there that you can witness for yourself in real life. That I'm currently staring at right now with my own two eyes. That is what she looks like. She is absolutely filthy. So, I have to do something about that. You know? So, yeah. I think this figurine is Ram. She's so filthy. Absolutely filthy. I have to do something about her. I'm gonna clean her up and I show you how I'll do it. I'm gonna use the basic one. The detergent in a bottle, just like some dishwash cleaner and microfiber cloth. This is gonna be like the basic stuff. If I struggle to get something off of her, she's like completely drenched in that liquid. I am probably forced to use magic eraser to remove all this gunk on her freaking skin. She is looking decent already with just a little bit of light scrubbing from my microfiber cloth. So far so good. Right. Peter Solido. Ever heard that? Peter Solido? I think that's like the name of some kind of a serial killer or criminal. I don't know. Just look at him. Peter Solido. How about you guys? Do you guys love the name Peter Solido? So this girl's name, the one I'm cleaning right now, her name is Ram. Random Access Memory. That really reminds me of this band called as Ram. The one that what was the name of the song Rage Against the Machine or the name of the band Rage Against the Machine? Rage Against the Machine. Killing in the name of don 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 don. Okay, so yeah, the name of the band is Rage Against the Machine, and the name of the song is Killing in the Name of. Yep. So we got a ouchie moment here where I tried many times to rub off the stain on that on her leg and it's not working on a calf and it's not working. So that's the time where we have to summon the help of our trusted magic eraser. And that wipes that stain right off. She is looking good now. Almost ready to display. I just need to clean more of that gunk on her face. Why is the skin so pale? She almost looks like a freaking bootleg. What the heck? The balls that she's holding right now. I don't know why she's. Is this a schoolgirl uniform? Why is Ram wearing a Japanese schoolgirl? A Japanese swim school girl swimwear uniform, like one of the swimwears that schoolgirls wear in Japan. That's so weird. Is she studying there in Japan? So strange. So weird. Killing in the name of. Alright. Oh, life. Um. You don't know me. Oh, life. It's something, something. You don't know me. Links that I've been gone to. You know what? I think I have to make videos from now on in order to prevent myself from going insane, in order to test up my brain power. Yeah. How's my voice? Is everything loud and clear? Finally fixed that problem, right? Before this, everything was recorded on that goddamn iPhone and none of my voice sound coming across. Pretty sure the same thing is happening here right now. Because guess what? I am recording on a phone, on a smartphone. And usually, smartphone recordings, they are not going to be as good as something that is recorded from an actual device, which main purpose is to record things, right? Like a camcorder or like a DSLR camera. Apparently these days a lot of people are recording their videos on DSLRs. So there you go. I think I have finally removed all that gunk on her arms. So I'm just going to reduce the exposure a bit and show you what I'm talking about. Before this, it was dirty, right? Remember? So now, everything, all that gunk is absolutely gone from her skin. On the exposed parts, at least. And yeah, her legs are looking freaking amazing. So today, in today's video, I'm not going to be covering anything or reviewing anything. I'm just going to show you how I clean my figurines. And so, if you have like trouble when you are cleaning your figures and there are like parts that you do not know how to do, then just do exactly what I do. Use yourself this detergent over here. This is literally just like some kind of a dish soap plus a little bit plus water, and just use this really dirty microfiber cloth. You can get yourself those things anywhere pretty much. So yeah, it's not that difficult. I've reduced the exposure. Before this, I reduced the exposure of the recording of this camera of my phone to show you clearly the despicable stains and gunks that exists on this figurine. Now no more of that. So yeah, she is looking absolutely spotless. I can pretty much sell her like this for $10. Her going price, I actually bought her for the price of like 6, and I can sell her for $10. Make that $4 profit, you know. she is looking spotless and really, really cute. Finally, you get to see her in her full glory, and the reason why people love her so much. So, yep, that is going to be my video for today. I hope that you enjoy this hangout time where I just clean my whatever that I got in my collection. A lot of things need cleaning. Yep. So yeah, thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you again next time. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Later.